Here unshaded part is half. So shaded part is how much? Half. That means in one diagram, how many parts are there? 2. So 2 are equal. So this is one half and this is another half. So here also shaded part is half. Now we will go to this. Green colored part. Here the diagram is rectangle. Here how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. Green. Now what we will do, children? Totally how many parts are there? 4. In that how many part is colored? 1. So it is quarter. Or you can say 1/4. Red colored part. How many? 1, 2, 3. You can say 3/4. Because 3 parts are colored. Again here there is a half sign of addition. How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So shaded parts. How many? 1. 1 part means quarter. Unshaded part how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 means 3/4. Now, match the shaded part in the picture with suitable fraction. Here, it's circle. In that 4 parts are there and only 1 part is shaded. So, it is quarter. Okay. This is triangle. In that only 1 part is shaded. See here, children. Difference of half and quarter. Whenever you mark quarter, there will be a 4 parts. So if in that 1 part is colored, then it is called quarter. But when you mark half, there will be only 2 parts. In that one, if it is shaded, then only it is said to be half. And remaining is 3/4. 3/4 means 1, 2, 3. You can write directly 3/4. Now here, this is a weight stone. Okay, where you have seen this? Mostly in the market with the vegetable grocers. Right as shown in the example. Here see children, 200 plus 50. So it is 250 gram. 250 gram means quarter. 500 gram means half kg. And 1 kg means whole kg. Children, I will be giving you the notes. Okay, that only you have to write. But this you have to do in your textbook, as I am doing right now. Write as shown in the example. See here, 25 paise means quarter rupee. 50 paise means how much rupee? Half rupee. Because in 1 rupee we have how many 25 paises? 4. So here this is only 125 paise. So it is quarter rupee. Here is 50. 25 plus 25, 50. So it is half. And here there are 3 25 paises. So it is 3/4 rupee. Here it is 1 is 50 and 1 is 25. So total how much? 75 only. See here, 25 plus 25 plus 25. 75 paise. Here 25 plus 50. 75 paise. So it is also 3/4 rupee or 3/4 paise. Now, shade the pictures as directed. Shade the half picture. Okay. So you shade it. Only half picture you shade. Fill the 3/4 of the beaker with color. I am using only one color here. Children, here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. You can start either from this way or this way. But you have to color only how much? 3 part. Okay. So fill this way. Color quarter part of the picture. How many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can select whichever one part and color. I will select this. Okay. Textbook work you have to do. Now next, divide the picture into 2 equal parts. Just we have to divide. Same picture is given. See here, you can divide this picture this way or this way, or another way is this way. Okay, even this. See here, you have so many ways to divide. Even this. Understood, children? Now here, draw lines and shade quarter in each of given pictures. First quarter means what you have to do? First you have to divide this picture into 4 parts. This way. Even this. Now what you have to do? You have to shade with any color only one part, because they have asked you to do only quarter part. Okay. So understood, children, this much? Now here, 8th main. Draw the pictures of your liking and mark the fractions given below. Here is already ready-made given for you. It's a quarter. 4 parts are there. In that one part is colored red. So this is quarter. Here half. So you have to draw your any one. Okay. However you feel, no, you can draw. So first I will draw square. This notes I will be sending children. That much only you have to copy in your fair. How much I have to color? I have to color 1/4. I mean half. So 2 also I will color. So one quarter, another quarter makes half. For that I have drawn that. If they ask you to color half, how to do it? Now quarter, I'll draw rectangle. I'll divide this into 4 parts. That's a quarter. So I will color this one part. Okay. Now they have asked 3/4. Draw a big O. I will divide this putting X mark 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what I will do? I will color a 3 part. This way. Okay. So this is 3 parts. Now children, numerical representation of half, quarter and 3/4. Recognize and understand the fractions half, quarter, 3/4 in numeric form. Number of two equal parts, the picture is 2. Number of parts shaded is 1. The shaded portion is called half. Half you have to write how? This way, 1/2. Why it is written 1/2 children? See here, 2 parts are there. In that how many parts is colored? 1. So 1 by, how many parts are colored? 1. So it is written as 1/2. Now here, number of two equal parts in the picture. Yes, there are two equal parts. Shaded portion 1. Shaded form of the fractional form of the shaded portion is, see here 2 parts are there, right here 2 parts. How much part is colored? 1. So it is half. So what does this fraction mean? It means half. If we divide one object into two equal parts, then each equal part is represented half. Yes children, if there is this diagram and if we divided this one diagram into two equal parts, then it is called as half of that diagram. Now, first diagram. Number of equal parts in the picture are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shaded part is 1. Shaded portion is called quarter. Quarter means children, see here. Totally how many boxes are there here? 4. So write this down here. How much part is colored? 1. So this is 1/4. 1/4 we have to read it as. Now, number of the equal parts in the picture are 4 again. Number of the shaded part is 1. Fractional form of the shaded portion is quarter. Why it is quarter? Because there are 4 equal parts and in that 1 I have chosen. So it is 1/4 or quarter. Okay. Now, when an object is divided into 4 equal parts, each equal part is called as quarter and it is represented by 1/4. Now here. Now let us try to understand what is 3/4. Number of equal parts in this picture are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of shaded parts are 3. 1, 2, 3. In fraction, the shaded portion is represented as 3/4. That is 3/4. That means how many parts are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. How many parts are colored? 3. So how we have to read? 3/4. 3/4 is written symbolically as 3/4. Number of equal parts are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of shaded part is 1. Number of shaded part is 1. Children, here it should be unshaded part. Correct it. Number of unshaded part is 1. How is the shaded portion represented in fraction? Shaded 1, 2, 3. So it is 3/4. That means 3/4. When an object divided into 4 equal parts, 3 equal parts together form the 3/4. Now here they have given, if an object is divided into 2 equal parts, then each equal part is called half, okay, and represented by half. If an object is divided into 4 equal parts, then each single part is represented by 1/4, that is quarter. If an object is divided into 4 equal parts, then 3 parts together is represented by 3/4, that is 3/4. So in the next class we will see exercise number 8.2. Thank you children.